Hi everybody, my name is Millie. Welcome to a little test here. I'm using the Godox SL60 video light since, I don't know, maybe a good year or two. I have two of them and I'm quite happy with them, although there's a little bit of noise. Recently I got a new project and I will need additional light, and I was looking at Amazon to see what light I could buy if I buy this one, or if there is something better and cheaper. Yeah, just to find out what alternatives there are. And I found a light that's 95 euros instead of 140. It looks pretty much the same like the Godox SL60W. The name is Andoer EX-60W LED, and well, I just want to test out the output and the noise levels, and just to demonstrate you this. So I turned this new one on, the cheaper one, cheap alternative. Build quality looks kind of okay. It's also kind of similar to the Godox, very similar to the Godox, but maybe a little bit cheaper, so to speak. So you have, there's the light, there is the noise level, let me turn on the Godox. So I have the light on 100%, and I will turn on the Godox, and we will see if this makes everything brighter or not. Boom. You see the difference? It's just a little bit brighter. I'm going to turn this off. We have the noise level of the Godox. It's not silent. The Godox is not silent, and this is one problem with the Godox. And I know some people, they kind of they put in another fan, an Octua fan, which is of course doesn't make so much noise, but I haven't had time to do that. So comparing these two video lights, I think I have to send this one back and get me another Godox, or actually two Godox, one Godox SL60W, because I think it has a better output and the noise is more pleasing and maybe not exactly that loud as the other one. Also the build quality is a bit better. It's not super much, but it's a bit better. And they both come with a remote, but well, I think I will stick to the Godox for now. I know there's another light from what's the name? The 100D and the 200D. I blend in the names because I can't remember the names. It's one of the major light manufacturers, and it looks pretty good. It's in Austria, it's supposed to be the 100D should be around 240 euros. So it's 100 euro more than the Godox, and the output is of course better. I don't know about the build quality. It might be a little bit lighter, but you cannot buy it at the moment. Andoer, yeah, what's the big name? Well, I'm sorry, I can't remember the name. But anyhow, I think for me personally, for right now, I will have to stick with the Godox SL60. You know, they did a good job for me, and Maybe if I have time, if I find time, I will try to switch to exchange the noisy fans for some more quiet fans. And well, maybe in future when the other light is available, maybe I will try to get one of those, just to have something more powerful, because yeah, when the summer is there and you have a lot of, maybe you cannot block, you know, the sunlight from the window or something, it's good to have a powerful light. But I think for most people the Godox SL60 is a great light. It has a beautiful color through light, and it's not too noisy. You like even when you put it in a softbox, you hear it much less. And also, if you kind of learn and know what you're doing, you don't have to crank it to 100%. You're good to go with 50% or 80%, and so the fan noise goes down. So that's it. Just a short video. I'm using my Fujifilm X100V that just arrived yesterday, and I hope it works with the autofocus. I put it to eye autofocus. I'm shooting in 1080p, 24 frames, and I hope it's all fine. Let's see, because it doesn't have a flip out screen. I cannot see myself. I hope I framed myself good. Peace.